Hi, in this video I will configure a LDAP server in FortiGate firewall. So this is my firewall with IP 17.161. This is my server. It has a IP 10.0.0.2/24. So now go back to let's go to the firewall. If you go on the network interfaces, you can see like I have configured a management port 1 and port 2 is my LAN port 10.0.0.100 where I have configured the DHCP. So now let's configure LDAP server. So go to user and device, create LDAP server. We can configure radius server, LDAP server, or we can create our local authenticator group, or we can the Forti token also from here. So let's go to LDAP server, create a new server, put the name like DC server. Server IP is 10.0.0.0.2. If you we can check it over here. IPv4, right click, status, detail. So IP is 10.0.0.0, 10.0.0.0.2. So put the IP here, 10.0.0.0.2. Common name identifier. Here we have to type SAM name. So Google SAM name account. So just copy this name and put it here. And distinguished name should be DC equal to what? Let's check our server name. Close this one. My server name is Antil.com, Antil.com. So the DC name will be DC equal to Antil, comma DC equal to com. Okay, that's all good. Uh, Bind type regular, username. We can configure any user in the LDAP server, or but like I'm gonna use like admin account, ad administrator at Antil.com, and the password I have test at 123. Now test connectivity invalid. So then the issue is in the password. Actually TRA. Okay, connectivity successful. Select OK. So LDAP server has been configured. If you go in the browser, we can see like all of our server detail is here. Okay, okay. If we want to check something, let's go here. Open Active Directory, Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computer. You just create a new user account here. Let's give it a name test. Email address is test. Next password admin at 123. Okay, I just created one account. Next, finish. So I just created test account. If you go on the firewall, double click on this one and test user credentials. Type a username test. Type the password. Test it. Test was successful. So right now the firewall is communicating with the LDAP server. So that's how we configure LDAP server. If we want we want to create any group, so we can go here on the user and group, create a new group with the name DC or LDAP for anything for the verification. Remote group, click here, remote server. I just configure DC server. Okay, we can select any group, like whatever group we want. Or we can select like all the like user group. It's up to us. So let's select the all the CN user. Okay, member, we can find anyone. Okay, so LDAP server group has been integrated now. That's it.